In this problem we have a Lagrangian given and we have to find out what is the conserved quantity. First of all, let us use the Lagrangian and find out the equation of motion. So when we put in Euler Lagrange equation, then we get 4x. Let us find the equation of motion. D by dt of del L upon del x dot minus del L upon del x. This is equal to 0. This implies d by dt of del L upon del x dot is 15 by 2 into 2, which is 15 mx dot plus 6my dot minus del L upon del x is minus mg. This is equal to 0. This implies 15 mx double dot plus 6my double dot plus mg equal to 0. Now 4y, we use the Euler Lagrange equation d by dt del L upon del y dot minus del L upon del y equal to 0. So we have d by dt of del L upon del y dot. Del L upon del y dot is 6mx dot plus 6my dot minus del L upon del y is minus mg2 equal to 0. This implies 4y, we have the equation 6mx double dot plus 6my double dot plus 2mg is equal to 0. Let us say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. 1 minus 2, equation 1 minus equation 2, this gives 9mx double dot minus mg is equal to 0. From here we have x double dot is equal to g divided by 9. Now multiply the second equation by 5. Multiply second equation by 5 and subtract from that 2 times equation 1. So you have to multiply by 5 the equation 2 and then from that you have to subtract 2 times equation 1. This will give you 18m y double dot plus 8mg is equal to 0. From here y double dot is equal to minus 8g divided by 18, or y double dot is equal to minus 4g divided by 9. So the first relation that we got was x double dot is equal to g by 9. The second relation we got was y double dot is equal to minus 8g divided by 18 or minus 4g divided by 9. So x double dot is equal to g by 9. X double dot is equal to g by 9. Now let us check each of the options. For a quantity A to be conserved, if A is conserved, then dA by dt is equal to 0. Therefore we have to check if dA by dt is equal to 0 for each of the options. First let's take 12x dot plus 3y dot, option 1. Let us check option 1. D by dt of 12x dot plus 3y dot, this is equal to 12x double dot plus 3y double dot And now let's substitute the values of x double dot and y double dot from here. We have x double dot and y double dot here. This is equal to 12 times x double dot is g by 9 plus 3 times y double dot is minus 4g by 9. This is coming out to be equal to 0. Therefore we can say 12x dot plus 3y dot is conserved. This is the correct option. This is the quantity that is conserved. Now you can check for other options as well. For option 2, consider option 2, 12x dot minus 3y dot, d by dt of 12x dot minus 3y dot, this is equal to 12x double dot minus 3y double dot. Now put the values of x double dot and y double dot. X double dot is g by 9, y double dot is minus 4g by 9. This is equal to 24g by 9, which is not equal to 0. Therefore A is not conserved. Therefore 12x dot minus 3y dot not conserved. You can do this for option C and D as well. For both option 3 and 4, you will see that total time derivative will not be equal to 0. Therefore they will not be conserved.